Alright, so I am back on the Craigslist, and we found this nice looking bike right here. Looks good from the pictures, and we called the guy, and we're going to look at it tomorrow. So he's asking $2,400 for it, and it looks like a pretty clean bike. There's only 2 pictures on here, but it's an 05 CRF 250R, and it looks clean, and I guess it has a FMF pipe on it, Q4. And so we talked to the guy, and apparently there's nothing wrong with it. So hopefully he's right about that, and we're just gonna have to take his word. But you know, it looks like a nice bike, never been raced. We're gonna check it out tomorrow after I get back from school, get home from track practice. And yeah, we're going to take the truck up there and we're going to check it out. Alright, Mom, so are you ready to look at this bike?
Yes, I am. You need a bike so you can stop bugging us about wanting a bike.
Huh. Okay. So what do you think about it?
I don't know. I have to see it. I hope it's a good one so you can get it. Well, you almost hate me getting in an accident.
Are you excited?
Why am I going to be excited?
You're not excited for me?
Yeah.
A big step up, going from a 150 to a 250.
Who's that running? Huh? You're kind of cruising.
I guess we'll see it when we get there, right?
Yep.
These are notorious for leaking shocks. Yeah, these are really good though.
Yeah.
I checked one out, dude. It was just leaking like a sieve.
No shit.
They're up.
Yeah, I would have noticed that.
I talked to the guy that worked on my bike. Yeah, new one. Oh, that's what the guy you got off of 31 Mile Road?
Yeah. You got the VIN?
Yeah, it's J. Like, I gotta go more with this.
Alright, Mom. So now that we got the bike, what do you think?
I think it's cool.
You like it?
Yeah. Seems pretty fast.
Yeah?
You have to learn how to do wheelies.
Yep. I'm gonna have to learn how to do that for sure. Look at that. Woo! Just gotta find a name for it now. What do you think?
Yep, Louise.
Okay. Alright, so we got the bike home. Ended up buying it. And I'm liking her a lot right now. Haven't rode her that much yet. Only took her on a test drive. And so that's where I'm going to end this video. See you in the next one.